guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my third NYKAA hauls video and I'm just not able to resist myself from shopping from NYKAA on their Black Friday sale. And as you know, I mean, if you are my regular channel subscriber and viewer, you already know I have shopped enough product for this sale, but still this is my third box that I received and I am so excited to share it with you. I have not even got time to unbox this, so I'm gonna really unbox this in front of you guys. So the first product that I am getting my hands on from the box is Garnier's BB cream. It's a beauty benefit cream and I got this at only 108, so I saved some bucks, and since I use it daily or for regular occasions, so this is a win-win product for me. So next from the box, so this is Miss Claire's eyelash. It's flare medium black and flare long black range from Miss Claire. So this is individual lashes and I can carefully lift it and ease the lash corner away from the eye, and this does not require there's no hard and fast rule that you need to apply 10 of them or 15 of them together. So depending on your thickness of the eyelashes, how much you want, you can really select and apply it at any corner of your eyes. So I love this product and I'm gonna definitely try it in my videos. The MRP of this product is $195 and I got some discounts for the NYKAA sale. I got this at $146, so this is pretty affordable, I feel, and Miss Claire is a brand I trust. So yeah, Blue Heaven's lip liner. So this is a packaging. So this is a pen liner. So this is a beautiful red shade that I got for myself. I'll tell you quickly, checking my product order. So this is a shade 04 from Blue Heaven, and guess the MRP, it's $125 and I got it for $100 only. So the next product that I'm gonna take out from the box is, this is Miss Claire's one stroke nail paint, 9 ml nail paint, and its MRP is $85. So this is a beautiful, wow, I love this. This is a beautiful violet color, and guess what, I got it at 64 only. So 64 and you're getting Miss Claire's nail paint, which is a one stroke nail polish. And I have used Miss Claire's nail paints before, so that's a really quick dry formula. So I think I got a good product at this range. So let's see what's there in my box. So next is from Miss Claire again, pearl eyeliner in the shade of gold. The MRP of this product is $250 and I got it at $188. So this is a beautiful golden liner. The applicator is very thin, and with this one stroke only, I think the formula is too pigmented. Check this out. I hope you can see. Okay, see, the formula is really pigmented, and I can use this to create any glam look. So that's another exclusive product in my collection, I feel. And what is next? So next I have got is matte lip color by Blue Heaven, and this is in the shade of LC03. So imagine 6 ml of lip color, which is priced with MRP 105, and I get it for 84 rupees only. So just gonna quickly swatch it. So as you can see, highly pigmented and it's buildable. So I'm definitely gonna use this on my videos.